We're at the Ellis Brigham ski test in Hinterux, Austria, and this is a Slopeside review for the Blizzard Black Pearl. It's the same ski as last year, just uses new graphics. This is good news because it's such a great ski and has the same brilliant Flipcore wood construction and a big tip rocker. It's an all-mountain option for anyone from intermediate to advanced. Here's how it tested.
Skiing on the Black Pearl is the true go anywhere, do anything ski. 88mm width on the foot still makes it nice and manageable. It isn't a width that you should worry about if you want to get on your edges. Rocky made it very effortless to be on piste. It just gives you the turn initiation that you need, especially once you get tired.
This ski is quite a stiff ski, but it's got Flipcore construction, so it means that it's a lot more lively, so essentially it makes it a lot easier to ski. The tip rocker and the tail rocker in the ski just makes it quite nice and floaty, and it also helps with the on-piste performance. So I'd say this ski is sort of aimed at high-end intermediates. It's still going to work for other people, but I think they're going to benefit from it more.